Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pin comments on threads posts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So here we will need to open our threads app, and after that we will need to go to any reply so we can start pinning the comments. And comments here in threads are the replies. So we can go to our profile, and from there we will go to one of our threads. We can start a reply or do whatever. So here we have the share, etc. You can, let's click not now. We can add anything to our thread, hello to, or we can go for any other kind of uh, thread and then start pinning the comments from other section. So here you will have this thread that will be showing. You can here find this reply or pin reply option. And by clicking on the pin reply, it will be the only top one. So if we add another thing or another uh, pin, we will see that this one will always be on the top. So let's just mark it as the top. And here we will need just to pin this reply again. And it seems that it is just bugging. But normally, if we go back and go to our here, we will find that our comments that we have pinned earlier is the one on the top. And you can do that for all your comments and replies. So here we will have this reply and this is on the top. And as you can see, you can either hide anyone or etc. And by that, you will be able to successfully start pinning the replies on your threads or the comments on your thread. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.